I put this pollen trap out here a little over a week ago, and you see the bees really haven't touched it. There is still some cotton blooming around. It's down here at Lake Patty Sioux. So I'm gonna put one little squirted swarm commander or two right here on the front. Maybe help attract them to it in case they are having a hard time finding it. The hives are right over there. I took a little afternoon drive yesterday afternoon, and I haven't been out here in a little over a week, and haven't done much with these bees for a couple of weeks. And the grass has really grown up around these hives, so I need to weed eat, open up the entrances a little bit for them, make it a little bit easier for them to get in and out. And that's really what I plan on doing today. I may peek in on a hive or two, but probably just gonna weed eat here today. The bees seem to be doing great. I can hear them buzzing behind me. They're busy. There is still some cotton blooming around here. The fall flow, I think, is starting, and they seem pretty happy. I'm pretty excited about these bees. They've really turned it around the last few weeks. See how this grass is really tall in front of the hives, and they're having to work to get in. Look at this over here. They can do it, but it's a challenge for them. So look at this. So I thought, what the heck, why not? I'm gonna be really quiet here for a minute and just see if you can hear them. Just a continuous buzzing. See how difficult this situation is here for these bees? They're managing, but they're having to work to do it. Why not make it a little bit easier for them, right? That's what my plan is. Better suit up if you're gonna do this. Got them fired up, and I don't blame them. Well, I got almost done with the weed eating. Just got one pallet and a couple of hives left, and the battery went out on me on my weed eater. I do have a gas powered weed eater, but it's worn out. It doesn't work very well. And I have this battery powered one that I really like, but this grass out here is pretty tough. It's a 24 volt battery, the cobalt, and it just ran out on me. So I may just kind of pull some of the grass out from in front of these last few hives so they can get in a little easier. And the next time I come out, I'll try to bring the weed eater with me and finish that up. But it seems to work well. I don't know if you can tell, the bees are pretty fired up. They're getting after me pretty good. That's why we wear protective gear. So that's it for today. Just thought I'd show you that little process there. I think the bees will survive. They'll do fine even without weed eating, but it just makes it a little easier for them, I think. And I will tell you that these hives are strong, at least from hive entrance activity with weeding. They came after me pretty good. Not a lot of management going on right now just because I've pretty much got them set up the way I want them. And we do have the apple bark strips in there taking care of the mites, hopefully. And we got a decent flow going on, at least in this location, between the cotton and hopefully the fall flow coming in soon. Subscribe if you like. On to the next video.